Welcome to a club for people who love good movies. Use the links in the description to navigate the list of films quickly.
Dunkirk. Evacuation of Allied soldiers from Belgium, the British Empire, Canada and France, who were cut off and surrounded by the German army from the beaches and harbor of Dunkirk, France.
Pacific Rim. Long ago, legions of monstrous creatures called kaiju arose from the sea, bringing the Molten Salmon War. To fight the kaiju, mankind developed giant robots called Gyators, designed to be piloted by two humans locked together in a neural bridge. However, even the Gyators aren't enough to defeat the kaiju, and humanity is on the verge of defeat. Mankind's last hope now lies with a washed-up ex-pilot, an untested trainee, and an old, obsolete Gyator. How to Train Your Dragon. Hiccup is a Norse teenager from the island of Berg, where frightening dragons is the way of life. His progressive views and weird sense of humor make him a misfit, despite the fact that his father is chief of the clan. Tossed into dragon fighting in school, he endeavors to prove himself as a true Viking, but when he befriends an injured dragon he names Toothless. He has the chance to plot a new course for his people's future. Avatar. On the lush island world of Pandorum live the Na'vi, beings who appear primitive but are highly involved. Because the planet's environment is poisonous, human Na'vi breeds called avatars must link to human minds to allow for free movement on Pandora. Jake Sully, Sam Worthington, a paralyzed former Marine, becomes a mobile again through one such avatar and falls in love with a Na'vi woman, Zoe Saldana. As a bond with her groans, he is drawn into a battle for the survival of her world. Forrest Gump. Slow-witted Forrest Gump has never thought of himself as disadvantaged, and thanks to his supportive mother, he leads anything but a restricted life. Whether dominating on the gridiron as a college football star, fighting in Vietnam, or captaining a shrimp boat, Forrest inspires people with his childlike optimism. But one person Forrest cares about most may be the most difficult to save: his childhood love, the sweet but troubled Jenny. Pandorum. Astronauts Peyton and Bower awake in a hypersleep chamber with no memory of who they are or what their mission might be. While Peyton stays behind to monitor the radio transmitter, Bower ventures out of the chamber into the seemingly abandoned spaceship. The men quickly realize that they are not alone and that the fate of mankind hinges on what they